Well, that's going to be it for the camera position today. Can't extend it out any further than that because it will just pull the pole out. So yeah, so it's probably going to be a lot of pictures of my foot. I'll just have to follow people all the time. You could say proper thermal coming through. Settling out a bit up here now, but yeah, that was quite spicy little fucker down there. Shane still got it. Oh, that might be a better angle.